Hello, today we are going to talk about Storj. A decentralized system for digital file storage is powered by the cryptocurrency blockchain platform Storj. The Storj digital currency is needed to pay for the Storj network, which is powered by computers called nodes located all over the world. Storj was established in 2014 and works with in excess of 10,000 dynamic hubs with in excess of 6 petabytes of accessible stockpiling limit. The Storj token, an ERC-20 token that functions on the Ethereum blockchain, is used by customers to pay for storage space. Storj tokens are one of the top 150 digital currencies by market capitalization as of this writing, with a total value of more than $200 million. A decentralized system for digital file storage is powered by the cryptocurrency blockchain platform Storj. Backups, cloud-native apps, software distribution, and video storage and streaming are all examples of use cases. The Storj token can be purchased, sold, or exchanged by anyone with an Ethereum wallet because the cryptocurrency runs on the Ethereum network. Storj is a one-of-a-kind cryptocurrency made to address issues with cloud data storage. Use cases incorporate video stockpiling and web-based, programming dissemination, reinforcements, and cloud local applications. Users can pay to upload their files beyond the free tier, just like they can with other cloud storage solutions. On nodes distributed throughout the region you select, such as the United States, the European Union, or Asia Pacific, files are stored encrypted. To participate, owners of nodes must meet specific minimum performance requirements, such as more than 93% uptime. To cover the costs of running a node, such as storage space, network bandwidth, and other expenses, owners of nodes receive payments in Storj tokens. The Storj token can be purchased, sold, or exchanged by anyone with an Ethereum wallet because the cryptocurrency runs on the Ethereum network. Anyone can trade the Storj currency, even if they are not a member of the Storj network. While some digital currencies are known as image coins, or tokens that exchange for entertainment only with few or no fundamental use cases, Storj is important for a manageable plan of action. Storj may have a better chance of long-term success than some other cryptocurrencies because of this. The third major version of Storj, which aims to boost file storage performance across the network, was recently released. Because of this, Storj is likely to be well maintained and supported for the foreseeable future. By market capitalization, Filecoin is the largest cryptocurrency associated with storage. It offers distributed storage solutions that are comparable to Storj's, but each is a little different. In some ways, it's similar to comparing Dropbox to Amazon S3. Both are well known for their storage solutions, but different users might prefer one over the other. Storj, on the other hand, is a token based on Ethereum, and Filecoin operates on its own blockchain. Storj rewards all participants who connect to the network based on their contributions. Whereas Filecoin uses a system in which users are more likely to earn a mining reward when they provide more storage space. To enable the decentralized future, and our vision is to be the storage layer for the decentralized internet, states the organization behind Storj. It utilizes in excess of 70 laborers in 20 nations to empower Storj as an installment arrangement and backing the continuous use and reception of the Storj token. Storj coin is not mined using proof of work or proof of stake, two well-known methods for rewarding miners for contributing resources to the network. The owners of Storj nodes receive approximately 60% of the network's total revenue, with the remainder retained by the company. In Storj, owners of nodes are compensated based on how much data is stored and how much bandwidth is used each month. Running a Storj node at home probably won't make you rich unless you have a lot of storage space. However, participating in the cryptocurrency ecosystem and earning money from idle computers can be entertaining. To earn money, Anyone can join the storage network with a computer and an internet connection that meets the minimum system requirements. However, there are a number of factors that influence your earnings. It's possible that you won't make a profit after taking into account hardware costs, bandwidth, and electricity. The storage network's digital currency is called Storj crypto. To use storage space, users can pay with a credit card or the Storj token. Storj is used to compensate node owners for providing bandwidth and storage. Using a cryptocurrency exchange, you can buy and sell Storj tokens as an investment outside the network. Cryptographic forms of money are unpredictable and hazardous, so understanding the dangers prior to buying is fundamental. On Storj, you could make a lot of money, but you could lose your entire investment. Be cautious when investing in all cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching. For more financial news and info, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.